Hello and welcome. I'm Karen Taylor, acupuncturist and Chinese herbalist. Today, I want to talk about the wisdom of warm and why acupuncturists and Chinese herbalists like me are always talking about the importance of eating warm, well-cooked food, preferably that's also moist. This fundamental teaching from Chinese medicine is ancient, and yet it has not truly been embraced here in the West. I've seen for myself over the last 25 years with my own patients that this wisdom can be life-altering for so many people. Most Westerners haven't even given any thought to their spleen, and they don't really know what it is. But the spleen is our main character in this story we have about digestion and hot versus cold. The health of your spleen plays a crucial role in how you feel, stay healthy, and a strong spleen helps you get the energy that you need from the food that you eat and allows you to do everything you want each day. So imagine that your digestion, it's like a fire. And when you add good fuel and keep it all stoked up, it's happy and it burns a lovely glow. And you efficiently digest your food and you can get the most energy out of it and easily absorb those nutrients too. In Chinese medicine, we call this fire of digestion your Spleen Yang. Yang is the warming, moving, energetic part of your body, and it fuels the functions of your organs. Yang is what allows your spleen to do all the jobs of digestion and metabolism, and it also manages incoming fluids. So when your spleen is sluggish or unhealthy, these fluids that we call dampness can build up and cause swelling and bloating and congestion. So your Spleen Yang oversees the digestion of your food, and so it makes sense that the spleen loathes coldness, and it functions best when it's warm and cozy. If you're dumping ice drinks and ice cream in there, and it starts pouring this coldness on that fire, and it weakens your fire of digestion that a healthy spleen is working so hard to maintain. This secret, it's actually common knowledge in Asia. When your digestion is optimized with warm, well-cooked foods, especially those that are also moist like congee or soup, then you're revving up the power of your human engine. This fire of digestion is a huge part of your metabolism. Keeping your spleen warm and healthy and stoked is the most important thing you can do for your digestion, because when it's not, it won't function optimally, and you will feel fatigue, weakness, poor appetite, frequent or loose stools, and tired after eating, puffy eyes, swelling or bloating, worry, overthinking too. So I hope you'll try building your Spleen Yang by protecting yourself from the cold weather, and most importantly, by enjoying yummy, warm comfort food that you love, so you can feel healthy and vibrant every single day. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now, head on over to breakfastcure.com and be sure to sign up for our newsletter so you won't miss any of my mini masterclasses. Have a great day.